The Australian Rainforest Foundation does tremendous work in the World Heritage Area, re-establishing rainforest areas that have been cleared. And Wilderness Challenge likes to bring its customers here so that we can also contribute to the conservation effort.
The Australian Rainforest Foundation does great work up here establishing rainforest in degraded areas for cassowary habitat and also to sequester carbon back into the earth and assist with the climate change issue.